Yes, this is John Edward Hall talking about a show coming up on Save the Nation. It is a show that will really thrill you to watch this show. And we're going to talk about teleportation. We're going to talk about an optical display device that I believe I'm going to be able to do two things by this video that you're going to see. This TV show, Save the Nation, comes on at Tuesday nights at 9:30 p.m., Thursday nights on 8:30 p.m. on Save the Nation. This is a two-part show, so you'll be able to watch these in July and learn about what I think it would be a good use of nuclear energy regarding, if it really plays out well, being able to teleport people at the speed of light and revolutionize space travel and perhaps go to the moon and stars, new planets, places like that through teleportation. It might be that people are teleported aboard spaceships and then the spaceships go places, or teleport outside a spaceship and go to another spaceship, or just sort of like getting on the subway and transfer a point, go to another subway, or another stop and get off and visit for a while. And that's what we're talking about by this. Thank you very much. And what I'm going to do in my further posting, there's a famous experiment that proves energy equals mass multiplied by the speed of light. I'm leaving out squared because I don't believe it should be squared. Einstein's E equals mc squared. I'm thinking the correct way to look at this is E is equal to mc. And I think I can, through logic with you, prove this entire new law of teleportation. I might win a sum of money from the National Institute of Science, or somebody that awards money for coming up with new equations that can be proven to be law. And I might say that there's a famous experiment that proves energy equals mass multiplied by the speed of light. Proposed the speed of light squared, proposed by Einstein, E equals mc squared, but I'm going to call it my law once I change it to E equals mc. While there isn't a single most famous experiment that directly proves this equation, there has been various experiments over the years. Now, 27 years, the theory of relativity came about in 1905. 27 years later, in 1932, there was a very famous experiment, the best one so far. It was called the Cockcroft-Watson experiment. John Cockcroft and Ernest Walton were two British physicists, wanted to test if they could convert mass to energy by smashing particles together. That's all for now. Just read my posts and I'll go into this and prove my law.